Dumela, welcome back to Tswana class. Another live video. Okay. So yeah, welcome back to Tswana class live. It's been a while since I've done like a live class, so I thought it's 2023. So let's start. Once again, Dumela, thank you for your support. If you're gonna watch this video later on after the live stream, welcome. Okay, let's get it. Yeah, so please do not forget to subscribe on your way out. So thank you. Welcome back to Tswana class. I am going to be doing a reaction to the video that I have not uploaded yet because it needs editing and all that. So I thought, you know what? Let me just react to this. Let me just edit on a live stream, and I'm going to be doing that today. So thank you again for watching this Tswana video. I hope you've been learning Setswana, and if you are interested in learning more of Setswana, and this is the first time you're watching these videos, please go back to the other videos, and I'm sure you can learn one or two things from there. So this video, I make them to teach people to start speaking Setswana immediately. It's what do I call it? I call it hands-on learning process, something like that. So like, yeah, if you don't know how to speak Setswana and you're watching these videos, I hope you can learn how to say a few things immediately. And if you are in Botswana, I urge you to use these words or these phrases, whatever you're learning, to the people around you, and then you will learn the language easily. So anyway, I'm not here to teach you how to learn the language. I'm just here to teach you a few words that I know in Setswana. All right. So without wasting any more time, let's get to the video. So thank you so much for all those who have been subscribing. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Those who've been commenting and asking questions, I hope I'm able to answer most of your questions. But if you think that you don't understand what I'm trying to say, I urge you to get back to me and let me know. I can explain further if I have time, and I can even like try to upload videos to make it so clear for all of you. So yeah, let's get to the video. Dumela, welcome back to Tswana class. Today we are going to ask questions. Yes, I know us. Okay, this is a reaction. I am going to be also trying to like edify this lesson that I've done here. So it says, Dumela, today we are going to ask questions. Dumela, that's how you will say it in Setswana. Tsatsi jeno, re tsile go botsa dipotso. Dumela, o ya kae? O ya kae? Where are you going? Dumela, ke ya toropong. Ke ya toropong. I'm going to town. O tswa kae? I think maybe I should also add text here so that I try to add text as the video goes. So okay, I'm not going to write the whole sentence because it's gonna take me a time, but I can just add what the question was. too small of a font. I apologize. I wasn't planning on adding text. I think I just decided to do that now, so it seems like it's gonna be a struggle. So let's pull that there, and now that's better. Okay. The question was, Oya Kai, where are you going? So Kai is where? Why is that a question? Kai, where? Oya Kai, where are you going? Otswa Kai, where are you coming from? So anyway, let's continue with the video.
Otswa Kai, where are you coming from? Eish, ke tswa kgakala. Ke tswa kgakala.
I also try to add authentic things, how like a Motswana would react to questions, because sometimes it's like they're in sometimes like we are in trouble when it speaks Tswana. It's like Aish is like come, like it's not it's just a sound that people make. I don't think you can translate that. It's just like a sound. It's just like something like that. But it's in a sort of frustrated way, like yeah.
Come from far, far away. Re tsamaye rotlhe kana jang? Re tsamaye rotlhe kana jang? Should we walk together?
Okay, typing. Jang. What's my rotekana jang? Should we work together? I'm trying to like see how jang. Jang is basically translated to how. So the proper English will be like, how about we work together? Something like that. So, but if you say it like that, it doesn't make sense. So that's how you're gonna say it. If you're Motswana watching this, let me know if I'm wrong. But that's how I think the word jang, that's what I think it means.
Hey, a re tsamaye rotlhe. A re tsamaye rotlhe. Let's walk together. O mang? O mang? Who are you?
So one little point I can add here is that Omang, you write it like this, like, who are you? I think I might have said this in the previous videos. So the Botswana national identity, or to identify yourself, how can I, like an identity document is called Omang. So for example, if you are in a police stop, or for some reason you are traveling on the road and then there's like a roadblock, the police might ask you for your Omang. So the police might say, Ke kopa go bona bo Omang, or I want to see your identity cards. Ke kopa go bona bo Omang. Or you can just say Omang if you just want to ask somebody who are they. So basically that identity card is called Who Are You? That's thing I wanted to ask there.
Ke nna Thato. Ke nna Thato. I am Thato. Re tseye tsela efe? Re tseye tsela efe? Which road should we take? A re dirise tsela yone e. A re dirise tsela yone e. Let's use this road. Ke eng o tsamaya ka dinao? Ke eng o tsamaya ka dinao? Why are you walking? Ga ke na koloi. Ga ke na koloi. I don't have a car. O rata ditlhare kana jang? O rata ditlhare kana jang? Do you love plants? Ee, ke rata ditlhare. Ke rata ditlhare. I love trees. Leeto la me le felela fa. Leeto la me le felela fa. My journey ends here. Ke tswelela ka leeto la me. Ke tswelela ka leeto la me. I am continuing with my journey.
I guess I said we were going to ask questions. I never also said that we are going to be answering questions. So, in this lesson, if you are learning Setswana on like a really serious kind of note, and like you are in Botswana or like you are planning to go to Botswana, these questions are gonna be asked a lot, and especially if you are traveling. All this is like for people who are traveling. If you learn this, you'll be able to like I don't know, impress people and also like understand those questions. Maybe you are going with somebody who speaks Setswana and you are going to hear people asking them all those type of questions. They are like asked almost every day, you know what I'm saying? So you can use that when you go to Botswana, and when you are planning on, when you have a friend from Botswana, you can use all that. It's like things that are basically used on a daily basis.
Ko o yang teng, wa go goroga le. Ko o yang teng, wa go goroga le. When are you going to arrive to your destination? Ke a go goroga morago ga metsotso e le metlhano. Ke a go goroga morago ga metsotso e le metlhano. It's gonna take me 5 minutes.
Okay, so yeah.
I am back in class. Thank you so much for joining me in this journey. I hope you learned how to ask and answer questions. Thank you so much for your support. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and help this channel grow. Go fitlhela re kopana gape mo nakong e e tlang, go siame. Sala sentle.
Yes, guys, thank you so much for your continued support. Thank you so much for learning Setswana. Really, I like when I started this channel, I didn't know a lot of people would be interested in learning Setswana, and so far I'm like, wow, okay, this is interesting. So thank you so much for learning Setswana, and I really hope that you are putting what you are learning from here to work and to test, and you are making progress in your learning Setswana. And I hope that you are enjoying these lessons. And please feel free to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and leave a comment and ask questions where you feel like you don't understand. And I will be happy to answer your questions. If I don't know your questions, trust me, I will ask a lot of people to tell me what to tell you. So don't feel like maybe I won't be able to answer most of the questions that you have. Obviously, I cannot answer all your questions, but I will also ask other people to help me. What you call it? Help me help you. So thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching these videos. I'll see you guys on the other video, and I'm planning to be coming back to these live classes. So I will also be re-uploading them later on. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this lesson, and if you have any question, please feel free to ask. See you guys on the next video. Bye.